Hello and welcome to my signature course on the ever-important subject of skin retouching. I'm particularly excited about this topic because skin really is such an integral part of any portrait, fashion, and beauty retouch, and it's really the first thing that any viewer is drawn to when they look at your images, but it is also one of the trickiest things to master. It's particularly challenging because skin retouching is really always a balancing act between perfection and reality, where we aim to deliver what is really the best version of that subject while staying true to their characteristics and their essence. Now, what you'll find is that a successful skin retouch is merely a combination of a few fundamental techniques, but the real challenge is knowing how, when, and to what extent each one should be utilized. My goal with this course is to just give you a structured and methodical approach to tackling skin in a manner that produces repeatable and consistent results. So we'll start off with a brief theory on how light affects and interacts with skin, along with understanding texture variances across the face, and then we'll move on to preparing our raw files in Camera Raw and Capture One and getting them into Photoshop. And then from here we'll move through strategies for healing the skin, including frequency separation, and then bringing it to a final polished state with dodging and burning and some color correction tools. From there, we'll spend a large portion of the course tackling specific challenges like difficult skin, bumpy skin, patchy skin, handling discolorations, and the unique challenges that we face with aged and dark skin. Now, beyond that, we'll also look at areas that we run into that are parallel to skin retouching, such as dry lips, spray tans, facial and arm hair, eyes, hands, and nails. So these are all of our sort of favorite things to really tackle with every retouch. Now, throughout all these case studies, you'll find that the mechanics for tackling them is actually quite similar and relies largely on identifying the fundamental problems with texture, color, and luminosity. So understanding the techniques that I show you here will not only help you in tackling similar issues in the future, but also prepare you for any other unique issues that you may encounter. Now, this course is by no means meant to replace dodging and burning or color grading courses that you may have already worked through, but rather it's meant to complement them by giving a more holistic view of skin retouching. Similarly, neither course is a requirement in order to work through these lessons, as I'll be taking you through the concepts from start to finish without any prerequisites. My ultimate goal is that you come away from this course with a great deal more confidence in tackling a variety of skin problems and end up producing results that are both more polished and more natural. Most importantly, that you don't find the task of skin retouching to be as daunting and difficult as you may have imagined it to be, and approach it with a lot more confidence and enthusiasm. So as always, thank you for your interest in the course, thanks for watching, and thanks for spending time with me on your retouching journey.